Hi, today I'm here with a very unplanned video, to be completely honest. Today my new jewelry box has arrived. I haven't looked at it yet, so we will open it up together. But before we do that, I would like to show you my current organization system, which clearly doesn't work for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer most of my jewelry to the new jewelry box. Okay, so let me just show you my current organization system. So I have these 3 containers. So I guess let's just start with this one, which is just a plate. I think it was from Primark. I have it on my desk, and it usually just catches things that I worn that week. I try to put everything away at least once a week. The second box is this one, which is actually a box from a watch which I have. And I thought, well, this is such a nice box, I think I should probably use it for something. But it's not very good box for reusing, if that makes sense. It has this hole inside, and then it has these sides, which I actually cut. I used some X-Acto knife, and I cut some just lines along there, because I do notice that this is hollow. And that's what I tried. I tried putting my earrings here. Unfortunately, not all of them fitted here, and having some of the earrings in there and some of the earrings in that box didn't work for me, because I forget which earrings are in which box, if that makes sense. I also have a couple of necklaces down there, which is not very easy to reach. Basically, the idea was nice, but it didn't work for me. And the last one is this box, which I got from a charity shop, and it is very possible that this will go back to the charity shop. So it's just your usual jewelry box. So this is a mess where I can't see anything, which I don't like that. And then the other thing which I don't like is that you have to lift this up to get into the other compartment. So what happens, I just never actually lift this thing up, so I forgot what's in there. So I don't remember last time when I actually wore anything from here. So hopefully, having a new nice box, I will wear my jewelry much more often. So let's not waste more time and just get into that new box, okay? That's the brand. I got it from Amazon. It wasn't very cheap, but it looked very cool, so I thought, well, I'll treat myself to that. Oh, nicely packaged, all safe. Even in the dust bag, oh, that's just gorgeous. Well, that's a gorgeous jewelry box. I never had a box like that ever in my life. Oh, that's just very, very pretty. Let's just get this off. Wow. Okay, so please excuse not so glamorous background. This is happening so unplanned. Okay, so I'm just very excited about this box. This is such a pretty thing. I'm very happy. So I just want to show you how it looks inside. This is my first time opening it, so I'm not sure where everything is. So I think you can pop this open. Yes, you can. Oh, that's nice. So that's for rings. I don't own a lot of rings, so I will probably store my earrings in here. Then we have these tiny gorgeous drawers. Let's see how the other one looks like. Oh, it has some dividers in it, so that's also nice. The last one is just plain one, which is also cool. I'm just glad that I will be able to see everything. I will go through my jewelry and put it into this gorgeous box. So I'll just show you a little overview. I do have some empty compartments, which I'm very glad about. So in this thing, I have all my favorite earrings. I love these ones, the blinking eye, and I do have 2 piercings in one ear, and I like to wear them on the same ear, if that makes sense. I'm just going to mention these earrings. These are actually my very first pair of earrings, and I had them since then. And this is my favorite bracelet. My friend has the same one. I gifted one for me and her as a friendship bracelet, but like a grown-up friendship bracelet. And I really love these ones, and they look so cool when you put it in your ear, because this back side it is quite big and it shows nicely behind your ear, and I just love them. And this one is also very cool. I like that it has gems in it, and when you walk around they sparkle nicely. I'm very pleased with this purchase. This wasn't very cheap purchase, but I know that I will be using it for years and years, and I'm just very glad that now everything fits in here nicely, and it's very satisfying to open it. So I'm very happy about this box, and I hope you liked this video. It was something different for me, but I kind of had loads of fun. So I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!